even though it's, even if it is raining outside, because it's that air movement is what we're looking for. That is ventilation. It's taking air from one place to another place. EPSRC is a mechanical ventilation heat recovery system designed to supply and extract air in and out of a home. The airflows are passed through a heat exchanger where it's able to recover up to 95% of the energy that you would otherwise lose through other ventilation methods.
So we've been innovating here in Caerphilly at New Air for nearly 60 years now. We like to follow industry trends and really focus on the actual end user and the property to make sure we're actually solving problems with our products. We have our own design team. All new product development is done here on site in Caerphilly, and then we test here as well and launch the products and manufacture them here all on site in Wales.
If tenants are told not to open windows because it will bring in moisture, that's kind of incorrect. What will happen is that will enhance the movement of natural ventilation, and whether it's moist air or not, as it's moving, the more it moves, the less chance it has to settle down on cold surfaces such as windows and other cold surfaces. So it's that constant movement of airflow that prevents that from happening. So it's actually beneficial to open windows, particularly when you're showering, cooking, doing those activities, even though it's, even if it is raining outside, because it's that air movement is what we're looking for. That is ventilation. The do's and don'ts that residents must be aware of with MVHR is that they should never ever switch the system off. It's designed to operate all year round at a low continuous ventilation rate. The other thing that residents should not do with MVHR systems is block or cover up or adjust any of the vents in the ceilings. The reason for that is that these will be pre-commissioned and balanced to achieve a specific rate to ensure the property is receiving the right ventilation. So they should never ever adjust it nor switch it off. MVHR works in simple terms by extracting your warm stale air from the property, so from the moisture producing rooms such as kitchens, bathrooms, toilets, utility rooms. At the same time, we have a supply fan that is bringing in outdoor air that is filtered. Both air streams pass through the heat exchanger, and that's how it recovers the energy through a plate heat exchanger. The airflows do not meet when they pass through. They are separated, but because the plates are tightly compacted, that's how the heat transfers. So in comparison to a simple extract fan, all of that warm, moist air is being extracted to outside. With MVHR, it actually is able to recover up to 95% of that energy and put that back into the home. So the way to operate it is you would put it into boost mode when you're doing activities such as cooking, bathing. When you are generating these warm, humid conditions from those activities, the idea is you would put it into a higher speed, so both fans run at a higher speed, and that's how it's able to recover the energy as well. Okay, so why ventilation is important and that we understand how to use it correctly is because we want to avoid condensation from further development into mold growth. So that's very unhealthy for your home, but also very unhealthy for yourself as well.